Hello, my name is Jose Baerga, and I'm a mobile development department at Full Sail University. I'm going to talking about my experience between the university and my experience at work. I've been working for more than 20 years in IT environment that is include point of sales, system administrator. One of the big opportunities that I have is to work with biggest companies like SeaWorld and Walt Disney on their projects and get the experience for not only involved with the technology but also the different environment for the industry in IT from areas like point of sales that mostly directly impact the guests for the parks and the revenue for the park, all the way up to the system administrator that is also included network security, database, and system support. What is going to be my basic skills and knowledge that make me successful and going to make successful for me in my career in mobile development? Well, during this 20 years in IT, I learned a lot. For one, first, teamwork. Teamwork is very important in any environment of job. Deal with different kind of the culture of people on the industry. Also to recognize the ideas for others and working around with that, even that is not the ones that you like. But part of the teamwork is the wonderful of this is that all the brain strong came together to create something good. The other part is to passion. Why passion? Because without passion, without love of what you do, it's just a simple job. It's like you go to any other job, get your paycheck, and go. So if you do something in your life like me, I like to create something that makes sense for the people, that program or application that I'm going to create if we solve the problem, but also they enjoy to use it. The same way that I enjoy to use technology right now, like cell phones and tablets, and you can do it on the road. For me, that's one of the best things that I see it right now on technology. That's why my passion in that area. So another thing is to make sure that you understand and learn everything new. I'm very passionate to see all the Googles and Apple and Microsoft developers at conference because you can learn everything that is on the market right now, the new on the industry. It's very important to always be on top of what is new on your career. I learned that also for my past different jobs, and it helped me to learn troubleshooting and keeping on my jobs that I have right now because of the knowledge that I have. The other thing also is to dedicate, practice, practice, practice. Practice is made the perfection, and if we don't practice what we do, it means that we don't love what we do. We have to always constantly practice and learn something new and learn from the mistake that we do. All the basic stuff that I've been learning for servers, networking, also to deal with the different type of the people for what they need. It helped me to understand why can I develop. One of my goals in my life on mobile development is especially what I'm learning from industry, entertainment industry and theme parks, and also for different kind of the environments, is to see what the people want, see, understand what the user want, and create that kind of the wow application or wow environment that they say, okay, this is what really going to work for me. Listen to the people that they're going to use it. Don't create something that is going to be satisfying you. It's very important to make contact with the people. Deal with the people is very important because if you don't deal with your customers, you deal with your people that are going to buy your art. It's like you're just doing something by yourself and only just being selfish with what you do. Now, because I'm coming back to school, it's also a struggle for a person that's coming back for a long time, but also it's an opportunity to mentor others. I would like that this experience that I'm talking right now about my experience in the past of my career help new beginners right now to understand the importance from the beginning to not wasting the time to make the correct decision for your career. Believe that right now my decision is good, to be a movie developer, because I have the maturity to understand what I need right now. I believe also the industry is being changed. I'm not hoping to be also a project manager and a mentor for others, but also listen for the new generation of developers, how they work and everything. I believe that I'm not going to be only a person that is going to be informed or put what I know and what I like. I would like to be open minded and listen for another ideas, and also learn for another people in the industry that already know what is new right now and how it works. My skills on programming is being far away, part of the old past on the computer science systems. I work with old systems like COBOL, Pascal, RPG, that is mostly for finance programs. But also, I try to learn more for what is going to be the industry right now, like Java, C++, and a different kind of the language that it helps to do mobile development applications right now. I believe with the new skills that I'm learning here in Full Sail, that's going to help me to understand the new industry of mobile development, and also to make contacts and networking with a new generation of developers, artists that is going to be learning in the university and will be probably my future partners in different projects in the future. I believe that also the way that we had to be as a person to understand and work together to create something good and new is very important on these days. I think that also I have my passions to just not just to create something new, but also to bring something new to the people that they feel that is good for them and is usable. That's what the reason that I'm changing to mobile development right now, to do something reasonable and usable for the people that is gonna buy the new app, or also work with apps that is already made for the companies that I'm gonna work. Believe that is something very important. It's gonna be exciting for me. Well, that's what I changed my heart for my career right now. That's why my title for why I changed my heart. I changed my heart for my career because I feel that my heart it was not on the correct path, and I think in mobile development, I believe that it's going to be my passion and put it in there and create something that I really really love. I encourage everybody to completely change their heart for what they have on the career is not that what they want right now, or just follow the passion and continue what you do and get success for that. Just to do the best that you can, motivated practice, good teamwork, and understand the industry and build upgrade yourself all the time. That will give you the tools that you need to be successful in your career in the future, and all the tools that also we get it from the university that will help us a lot. Again, this might change your heart. Go to mobile development. This is Jose Baerga from Full Sail, and thank you for listening to me.